Quick video of the Kenmore 20 refrigerator at work. Information. Settings. Light bulb is burnt out. There's two of them. Pretty neat refrigerator. Don't know much about it, but I'll have to see about getting it serviced. And I can probably find a light bulb around here to throw in there, because it's pretty dark. That's all.